Hey guys, I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to make high protein tiramisu. You'll start with some simple ingredients: 3 Weetabix, a scoop of protein powder, freshly brewed coffee, cottage cheese, and cocoa powder. You'll place the Weetabix in a flat dish. Then you'll take your cup of freshly brewed coffee, pour it over top. Get them nice and soaked. You'll take your fork and crush the Weetabix. This is going to be the base of your tiramisu. You'll take your cottage cheese and measure it out into your blender. Add in 1 scoop of protein powder. We love the Revolution Highway cookies and cream. Give that a good mix. You'll want a nice creamy consistency. Scoop that out and pour it over top of your base. You'll want to spread that out evenly, covering the entire base. Take your cocoa powder and sift it over top. Add in your blueberries. We like to use frozen. You can also use mixed berries if you'd like. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy.